G'day everyone and welcome back. This is my full build of the Aqua flume ride that I made inside of Planet Coaster 2. It was a bit long, so I'm trying to speed up this footage as much as I can. So if it is too fast, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm just trying a couple of different video ideas. Of some are too long, some are too short, and just seeing what the now 600 of you subscribe like to see in my videos. So do write a comment of what you prefer in these sorts of videos. So let's just jump straight in. So it's pretty much a simple ride to build. This is based off of the now decommissioned Aqua flume that was in Wet and Wild on the Gold Coast. I'm not sure the real reason why they shut it down. It kind of just shut down for maintenance and then never reopened. But yeah, a lot of people got stuck. This ride was avoided by many because of how scary the thought process of getting stuck in it was, at least for me. But yeah, it's now we don't have to worry about it. We'll hopefully get something new. But yeah, inside of Planet Coaster you do get to do these drop shoots, so I thought whilst I'm still learning the controls and the different things that you can do with this, that it was a great chance to really test out building something of my own. I'm having a lot of fun building water park stuff that I didn't really think I'd enjoy doing. Like, I thought I'd just jump into the coasters and do stuff like that. But yeah, if you've seen a couple of my creations on here, water parks are really fun to build with. Still a little bit fidgety. I have seen a lot of mixed reviews on the game and stuff like that, but as I've said time and time again, I'm happy with where it's at. I've got a whole new set of tools. I'm not trying to build these massive parks like I did with Movie World. I'm still just staying sort of small with what I'm building and just doing little workshop items. But yeah, I can understand the frustration, but I also understand that it is essentially, well, it's an early access game, but without calling it early access. So take with that what you will, but yeah, you'd still enjoy it no matter what. It's only going to get better. That's all I can look at. So it's like, if I'm having this much fun now, I can't imagine the fun that I'll be having in the future. So I'm excited to see what they pull off. But matching this up, it was pretty hard to try and get this right. I didn't think it would be this hard. You'll see me at multiple times try the smoothing tool. It's still a bit buggy. The pathing system at the top still is, you can't delete paths, you can't move things around and stuff like that as much as you want. It's just tedious with just little things at the moment, and that's probably my only pet peeve with this. Is it's so fidgety. You click one button and you're out of menus. But as I said, I'm enjoying the game. I'm having fun. So that's all I can ask for from this game, is that I'm still having fun doing it. So you'll see here that it literally was easier for me just to, instead of trying to edit the path and work out which way the platforms go and whatever else, it was easier just to create the path somewhere else. So hopefully they add more pieces for that. Even being able to connect your own pathing up, do your own pathing up to that platform would be pretty cool. Even adding 2 sets of stairwells would be really cool. And if you could set 2 stairwells, 3 stairwells, as many stairwells as you want, and then you could allocate which rides get access to that. It might be a bit hard with the pathing. I'm not sure how the game works or whatever else on the inside, but yeah, that's, if there's any devs watching, I know my videos only get like 100 views or so hopefully one of you is a dev or something like that. But yeah, that's probably one of the only things I'd want. So other than that, the ride was pretty fun to make, like just doing the flips and stuff, trying to get the smoothness of the flip itself without I did a couple of tests with the ride beforehand, before I even started building this, and it was fun to just have guests flip onto the roof, end upside down, and like, yeah, it was crazy to think of. So this is the other thing I'd love for the game, is just more canopy sections, because a lot of what Australia has is, it's the sun is a killer. So we have shade sails everywhere in our water parks, and I'm not sure what it's like in our water parks around the world, but yeah, we have a lot of them. So if just more pieces to be able to create just shade in the game would be really cool. And I know that somewhere in the game, shade is a big thing, that if you're really a micromanager and turn all that stuff on, I turn it off. I turn off the power, I turn off the filtration stuff now, because it's, I don't want to have to worry about all that stuff if you're downloading it. So you'll see down the bottom, this was my first and last ride that I attached Oh wait, sorry, I did the Cave of Waves was the same with the filtration system and all that. And yeah, I'm just not going to bother with it in future because it's so tedious to play. Also, a fun fact that I found out: it turns out there's a hidden water piece all the way at the bottom of the park that's just in the game for some reason. You can delete it, but yeah, I've found that a couple of things that I've uploaded, people are having trouble with placing them because this random piece of pool that's underneath the ground makes you have to readjust the ride when you're trying to put it in. So yeah, it's hopefully I've figured out how to stop that, and I've worked out that I can just upload things. I've got some really cool projects that I've got planned of what I want to do, so do keep an eye out for that. You will see them first on X. Like, I understand that not a lot of people use that, but I like to just upload screenshots and see what people think of, if I'm in the right track or what's going to happen. So yeah, if you want to have an early look at what I'm working on before I've even started recording or started editing a video, just jump on there, leave a comment, leave a like. I love talking to people through the comment system. So even on this video, leave a comment. Are you playing the game? Are you enjoying it? Are you waiting? Are you gonna like buy the game? Like, yeah, just what people are creating. I haven't really looked at the coaster things of what I could create. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit on that because yeah, it's just, I don't want this just to be a one and done thing. I want to try and enjoy this game for as long as I can, and at the moment it doesn't look like it's going to slow down with just me being able to be as creative as I can. Like, you'll see in the next video, I go full tilt on just craziness in my build. I will reveal for the people that have watched this for this long, it is called the Octo Races, I'm pretty sure I'm going to call it, which is a similar ride like this. But yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, follow me on X and other social media, whatever else, but please make sure you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.